its atmosphere. In effect, it is also known as the solar system's vacuum cleaner. Moreover, it is believed that Jupiter was once a star which failed to emit light. In our solar system, Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. A scientific record says that Jupiter is as many as 778,330,000 kilometers away from the Sun. Jupiter is the largest planet. It rotates extremely fast on its orbit, taking only 9 hours 55 minutes to complete one rotation. Jupiter takes nearly 12 Earth years to revolve around the Sun. The planet has the shortest day in our solar system, extending up to only 10 hours. The planet is the fourth brightest object to be seen in the sky after the Sun, Venus, and Mars, and the Moon. But unlike Earth, Mars, Venus, Mercury, and Jupiter, unlike Earth, Mars, Venus, and Mercury, Jupiter is not a terrestrial planet. Jupiter is a gaseous planet which is held together by a massive gravity field. Jupiter primarily consists of hydrogen, nitrogen, helium, and water. At the center, Jupiter has a small metal core that is made of liquid hydrogen, surrounded by vast expanse of hydrogen and helium gas. The atmosphere of Jupiter consists of intense wind patterns running horizontally across the planet. Jupiter's giant red spot is a storm which is brewing for over 300 years. The giant red spot of Jupiter is about 2 Earth diameters wide. Jupiter has 16 big satellites and many other smaller satellites as well.